How to change or switch your account type on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Mr. and today I'll guide you on how you can change or switch your account type on Instagram. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. In order to do so, simply go ahead and open up Instagram. Then you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and head into your profile. Once you're here, you shall find the hamburger icon or the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner. You want to tap on it. Once you do so, you can see this option here. Now you can scroll down and you shall find the option here that says account type. So you can see under for professionals, you can see account type and tools. You want to tap on it. Then you can see you can switch to professional account if you are on personal account, and similarly if you are on professional account already, then you'll get the option to switch back to personal account. This is how you can switch your account type on Instagram. Hope this helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.